I'm sure you've seen this at some point. You're scrolling online and you come across those videos where you can tell they were made with AI, but for some reason, they have millions of views. Most people assume it's kid stuff and keep scrolling. But what if I told you those videos are actually the key to building a profitable business this year? Recently, YouTube has been shutting down channels that post this kind of AI content. But the main reason those channels got deleted wasn't because they used AI. It was because their videos didn't provide any value. YouTube doesn't care if you create content with AI. They care if you upload low-effort content that doesn't teach anything and isn't entertaining. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the perfect method to not only upload high-quality videos, but also create them using a workflow that lets you generate everything super fast. So even if you have zero AI knowledge and zero video editing experience, you can start uploading your own content too.
Something massive below us inhaled, and the water pressure spiked until the glass cracked. We aren't the explorers down here anymore. We are just the bait.
Let's jump straight into it. First, we need to use this prompt. At the end of the video, I'll leave it for you so you don't have to copy it manually and mess it up. Once we paste this prompt into a text AI, and if you don't have access to a really good paid one, all you have to do is go to Arena, open Direct Chat, and you'll have access to top models for free, so you can work there. At the end of the video, I'll leave you the link to all the tools we'll be looking at today. If you want more tips like this, remember to subscribe, like, and leave a positive comment. You'll paste this prompt that I already prepared for you. What it will do is give you an in-depth analysis of what the best video story ideas are right now, the kinds of stories or concepts with the highest chance of going viral, and that we can make using AI-generated video without any problems. They also need to be attention-grabbing, because with short-form content, we have to hook the viewer in the first few seconds, so we can't use ideas that are too complex. Once we decide what we want to make, we're going to paste this second prompt. And in this section, we'll add the information the first prompt gave us, the result from the first prompt, so it can start generating the structure for the short. What it will give us is a video prompt and the audio line that should play while that video clip is on screen. And here's the first advantage of this method. We don't need to generate images first and then turn them into video. I'm going to show you a trick so you can generate the videos directly. This prompt is designed to give us multiple short video clips, just a few seconds each, that will later stitch together into a short that feels high quality and actually delivers value. It also makes sure to apply the best audience retention techniques and storytelling methods so people stay and watch the whole thing. Alright, once we have all the prompts ready, we're going to head over to Grok AI. This platform lets you generate all kinds of videos and images. But so we don't waste time, I'm going to show you my method for generating all the videos automatically, so you don't have to do them one by one. We're going to use this extension you see on screen. Don't worry, at the end of the video, I'll leave all the links to every tool we use today so you can access everything easily. Once it's installed, we go to the Imagine section, and then we activate the extension. You'll see there are different options. The one we care about right now is text to video. Let me explain how it works. If we go to Settings, we can select the aspect ratio. In this case, we want 9:16 for shorts, and leave the rest of the settings exactly as they are. You can also change the folder where the videos will download, because what this extension does is take all the prompts and automatically generate and download everything for you, without you having to touch anything. So set the download folder to wherever you want your files to go. Once that's ready, we go back to Control. In the prompt field, we simply paste all the prompts the text guide gave us earlier, and then we hit Run. And you'll see they start generating. And without us doing anything, the videos will download automatically. If you want to do the same process but using images, like uploading your character or generating images first, you'll see there are options for text to image and frame to image. You can use it however you want. The shorts come out at pretty good quality, and they even include built-in audio, so all we have to add is the voice. But there's one problem. Sometimes this tool can get overloaded, even though it's free. So here are two solutions. Option 1. Just create another account, for example with Google. Log in with a new session, and you can start generating again. And don't worry, the next day you can continue generating on any account. But if you don't want to wait until the next day, or keep making new accounts, the solution I recommend is Higgsfield. On Higgsfield, you get the best AI models on the market in one place, so you don't have to use them separately. And the good part is, you don't only have Grok Imagine. If you want to keep the same workflow, you can paste your prompts here and generate your videos. You paste the prompt, select the model, choose how many seconds you want the video to be, pick the aspect ratio for shorts in this case, and you're done. The best part is you can also upload images, for example, your main character, and ask it to include that character in your short. That's perfect if you want a recognizable profile on your YouTube channel, so people instantly know it's your content. Another really useful feature is that if you love a video, But there's one small detail you don't like. In Edit Video, you can upload the clip and ask it to fix that specific detail. And if it still doesn't convince you, the best part is you're still in the same interface. You can switch to a stronger model like Kling 3.0, choose the duration, aspect ratio, and quality, paste in your prompt, and even add a reference image. I'll leave the link to this platform in the description and in the pinned comment. Huge thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. No matter which method you choose to generate your videos, once you've downloaded them, we're going to add the missing piece that makes them truly valuable. Because if we leave them like this, they'd basically just be AI-generated clips. We're going to add the human touch. First, we're going to generate the voices that will play over each video clip. For that, I'm going to give you two methods. The first one is Google TTS Voice, which is really good and very easy to use because all you have to do is go to Single Speaker Audio, add the style instructions for how you want the voice to sound, paste the voice line you want it to say, pick one of the voices you like from the catalog,
To build something awesome today?
and generate the clip. That tool can sometimes get overloaded after you use it a lot. And since I want you to have unlimited options, here's a solution. You can log in with another account. But if you don't want to keep doing that, we're going to use Pinocchio. Inside Pinocchio, you'll find different AI tools that are completely free and unlimited because you download them directly onto your computer, so you have access without relying on a website and without sharing your data with a company. And here we'll use the latest Qwen 3 TTS model. If you want to see how to install it, I'll leave the video linked and the card up top. But you'll see it's very, very simple. Once you're inside, you can either clone voices, only voices you have permission to use, or do things faster by using pre-made voices. You'll see a list of voices just like before. You pick one and paste the phrases you want to generate. You can generate them all at once or one by one. I personally recommend doing them one by one, so you can control the quality of each clip and make it easier to match them to the final video.
It started quietly when the rain stopped falling down.
I also recommend trying the voice design section, because when you write a prompt there, you can make the voice sound exactly how you want. At the end of the video, I'll also leave you some prompts to create different voices, so you can test and choose the one you like most.
It started quietly when the rain stopped falling down and began rushing back up into the gray clouds.
Once we have all the voice clips downloaded, we're going to put everything together to create the final video. We're going to use CapCut because it's free. First, we add all the video clips in order. Then, under each clip, we add the matching audio. If a video clip doesn't match the length of the audio, just adjust the speed. One thing I recommend if you want to improve retention is adding visual stimulation, and you can do that really easily by dragging transitions or effects onto each clip so it feels more dynamic. And that's it. Your video is done.
We cut the submarine engines at 30,000 feet just to save our backup battery power. That is when the absolute darkness outside the reinforced glass started to watch us back. The trench walls suddenly ignited, revealing a breathing city made of blue pulsating veins. Shadows swam past the glass, shaped exactly like human divers, but moving way too fast. A hand pressed against our window, but it was translucent and glowing from the inside out. It wasn't trying to break in. The creature was frantically pointing down into the abyss. We realized too late that this glowing city wasn't a civilization. It was a cage. Something massive below us inhaled, and the water pressure spiked until the glass cracked. We aren't the explorers down here anymore. We are just the bait.
I stopped to explain every step, but I promise that once you try it yourself, you'll see how fast it really is. And like I promised at the beginning, if you want all the direct links to the tools we used today, plus the prompts we used, I'm leaving everything inside a completely free PDF in the Discord, linked in the description. To get it, join the Discord. We're already more than 30,000 people. Go to the bot PDF channel, send the bot a message, and when it replies, send it the link to the video you want the PDF for. Follow the steps, and you'll get the PDF completely free. Thank you so much for watching.